So hello everyone, this is Melissa and I'm coming to you with my Christmas present. I'm getting ready to unbox my brand new Kitchenaid. Mo Gig got it for me for Christmas. And I've been baking my butt off with my classic Kitchenaid that he got me a couple of years ago for Christmas. It was white. I wanted another white one, but they didn't have it in white. So they had it in the silver. And the silver goes with a lot of my appliances, so it'll blend. So this is the unboxing of my Kitchenaid stand mixer Pro 5 Plus. It's the one that lifts. It's 5 quarts, 4.7 liters, and yeah. I used to bake as a kid. I used to bake a lot of stuff, so I'm getting back in the swing of baking. So this is just a chart with all the different attachments and bowls. So let's see how we're gonna do this. What's the front? Let's do it like this. So in it, what is this? Congratulations on your new stand mixer purchase. If beater hits bowl upon first use, adjust. So I guess this tells you how to adjust different stuff, and then the booklet. The little hook. Says hand wash only. Washing in dishwasher will cause wire rip to discolor after washing dry thoroughly. I don't know who would put this in a darn dishwasher anyway. Won't even fit. Okay, so it's out the box. Register it. I'm gonna do that. Here's another mixer. So that, I think that's all that came with it. I was thinking that the pasta maker came with it, but obviously I was wrong. Let's stand this up. And this is not a refurbished one, but which I think you can get the refurbished ones cheaper, but this is a brand new one from Lowe's. No, we didn't get it from Lowe's. We got it from, I think, Best Buy. Okay, so here is the beauty. So let's move you up a little so we can get the gist of how pretty you are. And honey, you are gorgeous. Now, I got an antique one like this. But Mo has not figured out he hasn't figured out what's wrong with it. It's a shortage somewhere. And the antique that I bought off of Facebook was in a cooking school in, right before you get into Nashville, Pleasant View. And it's, I think, around 1945. It's an antique. It's really pretty, but Mo hasn't figured out what's wrong with it. I think I'm going to take it to the Mennonites, the Amish in Pembroke, and see if they can't fix it. Because I would love to display it or even use it. Okay. So this is my baby. Okay, so this is how we do this. And honey, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do all of it. But as you can see, this is she. I haven't named her yet, but I will. And I'm very happy. I might customize it with something other than just silver. So this is it. Okay. Let me, I want to test the speed, and I want to do it, but I don't have any plug. So I'll come back with a second part to test the speed on it. Okay, but this is my Christmas present. I'm very happy with it. I was pleasantly shocked when Mr. Mosley bought it for me. I have been doing a lot more cooking since the COVID, so we're gonna get more into baking. I want to start making homemade cakes and decorating them. That's the goal. Okay, so everyone, be blessed and have a good day. Okay, bye.